houseplants with stunning purple foliage. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a special group of plants that add a vibrant and unique touch to your home decor. Yes, you guessed it right, purple houseplants. These plants not only bring beauty and visual appeal, but can also uplift the ambience of your home. Purple houseplants showcase the beauty of nature to plant lovers. In ancient times, only kings and nobles in European countries were allowed to wear or use the color purple because it was not only a luxurious and elegant color, but also extremely expensive. The symbol of royalty and luxury has been tied to this vibrant color for centuries. For this reason, purple is still considered a royal and captivating color today, and having purple houseplants reflects a unique taste and a desire for beauty. In the rest of this video, we will introduce you to a selection of purple-leaved houseplants that you can incorporate into your home decor. Maranta Leuconeura. The Maranta Leuconeura houseplant is known as the prayer plant because of its daily rhythm and the unique way its leaves close. During the day, its leaves are open, but at night they fold upright, resembling hands in prayer. Maranta Leuconeura is an evergreen plant. Its beautiful colors and distinctive patterns make it a unique houseplant. Additionally, its ability to thrive in low light conditions has made it a popular choice for indoor spaces. Wandering Jew. The leaves of this purple plant are a beautiful combination of dark purple and silver, creating a stunning zebra pattern that enhances the decor of your home. Begonia Rex. Begonia Rex is another beautiful purple houseplant. The texture and striking patterns of its leaves have made it a favorite among plant lovers. Its preference for shade makes it an ideal plant for low-light apartments. One important point in caring for this plant is monitoring the soil moisture, as overly wet soil and excessive fertilization can lead to root rot and the plant's demise. Additionally, keeping the leaves wet for prolonged periods can invite infections and pests. If you keep these factors in mind, caring for Begonia Rex will be quite easy for you. Calatheas. The leaves of this plant resemble intricately carved feathers with eye-catching, angular lines. The dark leaves of Calathea sanderiana, with their delicate pink patterns, make it a truly beautiful and unique houseplant, often considered one of the more special indoor plants. Like other members of the Calathea family, this plant opens its leaves during the day to absorb more sunlight and closes them at night before sleeping. Oxalis. In recent years, this ornamental shamrock has been imported to Iran from Brazil. Many people compare the beautiful leaves of this plant to butterfly wings, as its purple leaves open during the day and close at night. Interestingly, this plant with its striking purple leaves also produces very beautiful white flowers. At first glance, you might think that caring for this unique ornamental plant is difficult, but contrary to this belief, caring for the purple shamrock in an apartment is quite easy. With the right care, it will remain vibrant and radiant all year long. Persian Shield. Its translucent 15-centimeter long veins have a rainbow purple hue that gives them a nearly metallic silver appearance. Although its name includes Persian, it is native to Myanmar, formerly Burma, not Iran. This plant is a shrub that remains evergreen in warm climates. In cooler climates, it is grown as an annual and has even gained more popularity as a houseplant since it tends to bloom in winter. This plant can thrive well in containers or outdoor pots. Purple succulents. This plant is native to the semi-arid regions of Mexico, Central America, and South America. Purple succulents have rose-shaped leaves and are used in floral arrangements, rock gardens, design, and many other applications due to their unique beauty. They are also popular as houseplants that can transform the interior of your home. The plant's remarkable resilience allows you to use it in both indoor and outdoor decor. Ficus Elastica. The Elastica is actually a type of ficus that can grow up to 200 feet in its native habitat. But don't worry, when potted, the Ficus Elastica doesn't grow that large. It has attractive, oval-shaped leaves that emerge in a regular pattern from the plant's central trunk. The leaves are a purplish-green color, which take on a purple hue when viewed from below. Moses in the Cradle. Moses in the Cradle, also known as the zipper plant or boat lily, is a plant with rosettes of lance-shaped leaves. These beautiful leaves display green and white on the top side, while the undersides are a striking purple. When it blooms, this lovely plant produces white flowers that appear within the boat-shaped leaves, which is why it is named Moses in the Cradle. This charming plant, with its exceptional beauty, can make your home decor even more appealing. Hawaiian tea. The titanium plant, also known as tea plant, Hawaiian tea, lucky palm, or cordyline, is native to many islands in the South Pacific, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, and Southeast Asia. Indigenous people believe that this plant brings good luck. It is also cultivated for religious and medicinal purposes and has gained popularity worldwide as a houseplant due to its attractive and ornamental leaves. The sword-shaped leaves of the tea plant sprout upward along the central stem. Gynura aurantiaca. Gynura, also known as velvet plant or purple passion plant, is one of the most beloved houseplants. Its velvety leaves with purple edges make it exceptionally beautiful and unique. This plant grows vertically and vining, making it suitable for hanging pots. Gynura thrives in moist soil and loves bright sunlight. It is particularly admired for its dark green leaves covered in a layer of bright purple. The plant also produces vibrant orange-yellow flowers and grows wild in Southeast Asia. This plant will bring the essence of the wild outdoors into your home. Coleus blumei. The Coleus, scientifically known as Coleus blumei, is a tropical ornamental plant that belongs to the mint family. Historically, it has been one of the most popular ornamental flowers in Iran. The unique colors and patterns of its leaves make it an attractive plant that can be used in home decor. The purple variety of Coleus is also very beautiful and popular. Due to its fast growth and easy propagation, it is affordably priced. Additionally, its ease of care makes it ideal for beginners in gardening, further enhancing its popularity. Opuntia prickly pear cactus. The Opuntia cactus, also known as the prickly pear cactus, is a beautiful cactus with a very simple cultivation method. This unique plant has a shiny, colorful, and large appearance. Its distinctive look has led to various names, such as mother-in-law's tongue and rocket cactus. This special cactus is highly popular due to its easy care and exceptional beauty. Additionally, its attractive flowers, along with the edible fruits of the Opuntia cactus, greatly enhance its appeal. Therefore, if you are looking to add a unique and special plant to your home decor, we recommend the Opuntia cactus. There are certainly many purple-leaved houseplants to choose from. We have only introduced a few of these lovely plants to you. Remember that it's always best to select plants that have their care needs met in your home or workplace. Well, friends, we hope this video has helped you get more familiar with purple houseplants. If you're also growing these beautiful plants in your home, be sure to share your experiences with us in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos.